Alright, so in today's class, we're going to look into the concept of inheritance and how Java implement inheritance. So I'm going to use as simple as possible example so that you can understand. The term itself basically describe what it is. Inherit means that one Java class can inherit another Java class variables and methods. So for example, here we have this first class. So I'm going to create class inside this class just to make things simpler. Alright, so I'm going to create one class here. So here class, we give it a name class child or class A. Alright, so this class A contain one variable, for example integer class A variable, and one method, for example void class A method, or we get a method A, much better. Alright, so we have the main class and one class called class A. I'm going to use another class. I'm going to create another class down here. So this class I'm going to call class B and integer CB void method B. Alright, so this is very simple class with one variable and one method. So if I try to create class object for class A, simply call class A object class A equal new class for the constructor. Done. Alright, so nothing fancy here. So what we have is class A, you can get method A, or you can assign value for the class A, which is you can access the variable CA, let's say give the value 10. Alright, so this is normal. So you want to create for class B, you can create another class object for class B equal new class B, and of course you can call method class B either the variable or the method itself. So this is very clear. So you have this basic object oriented notation. Alright, so when do we have inheritance? So for inheritance to work, one class need to be child class and another class need to be parent class. So what it means is that now let's focus on this class A. So class A contain only variable CA and method A. So if you like to access, for example, object class A, you want to access variable class B and also method B, you cannot do that since that members belong to class B. So what can you do? So if you want to have that kind of options, we can use keyword extend. So which is class A, for example, in this example, class A extend to class B, which we just put keyword extend and to what class? So let's say to class B. So what happened now? This is child class. So child class easily identify by using keyword extend. So for class B, this is the parent class. This parent class is just a normal class. We have no idea if this is a parent class or not unless we can see its child. So in this case, class A extend to class B, which means that class A is the child class and class B is the parent class. So with this one keywords and the class where this class extend to, now we can use this option now available. This variable CB and method B now available to object A. Alright, so you can access CB equal 12. You can also access method B, which is now available to object class A. So that is what inheritance means. Class A inherit class B. As quick as possible, that is what inheritance is all about. I'm not going to go into more complex idea in inheritance, but this is as simple as it can be when it came to inheritance. Alright, so with that, I hope it can help you to understand basic inheritance concept in Java. Thank you.